In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an MP4 video with audio during screen sharing on Google Meet. This is a super handy skill to have, whether you're hosting a virtual presentation, leading a meeting, or teaching a class online. The process is straightforward and we'll walk through each step to make sure you can do it seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to have your MP4 video file ready to go. To make sharing easier, we'll open this video in a separate Chrome tab. If you haven't done this before, it's simple. Just drag and drop your MP4 video file into your Chrome browser and it should open up as a new tab. Once you have your video ready, the next step is to either start or join a Google Meet session. You can do this by navigating to Google Meet in your browser and selecting either New Meeting or joining a meeting that's already on your schedule. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. After you've entered the meeting, take a look at the meeting controls at the bottom of your screen. You're looking for the Present Now button, which is usually towards the right hand side. Click on that button to open up a menu of sharing options. From the menu, you'll see an option to share a Chrome tab. Select this option and you'll be prompted to choose from your currently open Chrome tabs. Here's where having your video preloaded in a separate tab comes in handy. Simply choose the tab where your MP4 video is open. Here's a quick tip. Before clicking on the tab, ensure that there's a little checkbox or toggle that says something like share audio. Make sure this is checked, otherwise your participants won't hear the audio from your video. Double checking this small detail can make all the difference in your presentation. Once you've selected the correct tab and confirmed the audio settings, go ahead and hit that share button. Now, your video and its audio will be visible and audible to everyone in the Google Meet session. You'll see a small notification at the bottom confirming that you're presenting the tab, so you know it's active. That's it. You've successfully shared your MP4 video with audio during a Google Meet session. Practice these steps a couple of times and you'll be a pro at it in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your future meetings and presentations. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy presenting!